Recording. You got a little smile. Dude, why is it flashing that circle with a line through it?
I don't know who was doing that before. Here, kiddo. Kaden.
Make sure he eats all the stuff that's on his chin before you give him any more.
Oh, want some more? I wish I made more.
He likes it?
I don't know. I mean, he's not screaming.
Is that good, Kaden? Seems alright with it.
I think we get one more little spoonful here, kiddo. Oh, we get two more. Here. Yummy. You're supposed to wear it. Does that make you happy? Are you happy now? Okay, here's the last one. Here we go, that's it. Right down the chin.
But that went better than we expected.
I know. Can't keep it in his mouth. Want to hold the spoon? Show everybody how you can hold the spoon.
I gotta go stir my mac.
Hold on. Here we go.
It's gonna break something. Be careful. You know how he is.
Don't throw that. Here. Kaden, take the spoon. Nope. Don't throw it. Kaden. Alright, you can't have the bowl anymore. That's too dangerous. There you go, have the spoon.